This is the keyboard case for Xiaomi Pad 7, and this is the keyboard case for Xiaomi Pad 8. Basically, the difference I noticed is the color. This one is like dark gray, while this one is like black color. And the other difference will be the keycap size of the left and right key. For the Xiaomi Pad 7 one, this one will be full-size keycaps, while the one on Xiaomi Pad 8, this will be the small size one. Anyway, you are able to use both of these keyboards on the new Xiaomi Pad 8. Next off, we have the Xiaomi Focus keyboard. This one is for Xiaomi Pad 7. Again, what I noticed is the keycap size for the one on Xiaomi Pad 8, based on what I saw on other YouTube videos. The one on the Xiaomi Pad 8 one will be smaller, while the one for Xiaomi Pad 7 will be full size. And other than that, I'm not able to comment anything because I don't own the one for Xiaomi Pad 8. And I'm also not planning to buy because it will be expensive and not worth to do so. Anyway, you are able to use the older model, which is the one for Xiaomi Pad 7, together with your Xiaomi Pad 8. Alright. Yep, so there you go. Next off, we have the folio case for the Xiaomi Pad 7. This one can also be reused for Xiaomi Pad 8. Alright, it fits nicely because the dimension, the horizontal and vertical dimensions are similar. The only difference between Xiaomi Pad 8 and Xiaomi Pad 7 in terms of dimension will be the thickness. But when it comes to case, the thickness doesn't really matter. So I'm able to fit my Xiaomi Pad 8 into this Xiaomi Pad 7 folio case. Okay, and yes, the magnet is working fine. Alright, just don't force it, it will still fall down. But this also happened to the Xiaomi Pad 7. Next, we have the Xiaomi Focus Pen. This one is originally meant for Xiaomi Pad 7, but again, we can use this on the newer Xiaomi Pad 8 as well. Okay, see? No problem. Okay, so it's working fine. That's all for today. So I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.